Hello everyone, you're welcome to Lafrihair. Lafrihair, we have handmade braided wigs. So today I'll be taking you on a braided wig tutorial. As you can see, this is the wig we are going to be doing today. So the wig is so beautiful. As you can see, it's so beautiful. This is the wig we'll be going in for today. So every detail about this wig, how it is being done from beginning till the end, everything is in this video. So you want to stay right till the end. I gave every details that you need to know. It is beginner friendly. Even if you know nothing about braided wigs, just by watching this video tutorial, you know absolute everything you need to know. Yeah, it's so beautiful. First things first, you want to lay down your closure very well with your pins. Then you start sewing. I normally start sewing from behind to the front. That is from the middle, as you see me doing, and I move to the front. Then when I get to the end, I'll just go ahead and continue sewing, moving back to where I started to make sure that my closure is well sewn onto the wig cap. So when I'm done, I continue again from behind to the front. I repeat the same procedure. So when I finish sewing, I start sewing and going behind again. All this is just to make sure that my closure is well sewn onto my wig cap. So when I get to the end, I just tie my thread very well and make it very well secured. And then I cut off the thread and we are done with the closure. So I will just put my closure in, I will fold it. Then I start placing my braiding hair. I use a crochet hook and hook it on the wig cap. So I do it like this before I start braiding what I just placed on the wig cap. So I will go ahead and do it for the entire wig cap, and then I will come back and start braiding. You also want to make sure that you give out spaces from one box braid to the other, in order for your wig cap not to be over heavy, but you want it to be full. So as you can see, I am done crocheting the braiding hair. So I start box braiding. So I take, depending on what size you are going in for, you take the braiding hair and start braiding what you had crocheted on the wig cap, as you see me doing. So as you can see, more than halfway gone. So I continue box braiding, and you want to make sure that your braids are very neat and smooth, with little or no hair popping at the sides to make the braids look rough. So you have to take all your time to make sure that it looks really smooth and neat. when we are done braiding our crochet hair, that way we use our crochet pin tool. So what we'll do now is we are going to put out some baby hair. So I will just do a cornrow so that I should keep it out of the way while I'm braiding. Then I'll use some Echo Styler gel to help me make the closure to lie very smooth and to get the hair out of the way so that my braiding will look very neat. So if you have some hair flying out, don't worry. When you finish braiding our wig cap, we'll use a pair of scissors and trim out all those hair that are flying out of our boss braid. So we are almost done. This is the last box braid we will be doing on this our wig. So when we are done, we take a pair of scissors and cut off all those extra hairs, those stubborn hairs that are popping at the side to make our braid look very neat and smooth. So when we are all done, I call the edges of my wig. So this is how you make your coils. After rubbing it, you just pull, and that is what you get. You just give it a knot at the bottom and to make it not to unravel. So after that, you can cut off those extra ropes and then you put it into warm water for about 30 seconds, and you pull it out, and you can look for a towel and soak out the extra water from it. Then to undo, you just cut off the thread and just cut off at the bottom with the scissors, and then loosen the thread, and there you have your course. So this is what it looks. I've cut off the thread from all of the braiding hair. So this is what the hot water did to the this is what the hot water actually did. So I pull out my wig cap and cut off the extra lace. Then I had some hooks. I sewed it onto my wig cap so that when I'm wearing the wig cap, it will be more secured. So for the hook, I'll sew like this as you see me doing. When I get to the end, I'll sew again and come back to the other end. With this, I'm very sure that I sewed it very well, and it is very okay, and it can't come out easily. So after all this, I will use my rubber band. I will sew it on my closure because it is a closure I want to lie very flat. So after measuring the length, I just sewed it on my closure, and we are done. Your wig is ready. You are ready to rock your wig. Yeah, it's so beautiful. You see, so secured. It is so secured. It can't fall off. So as you notice, I didn't cut off this extra lace in front because this wig is for sale. I'll leave the link to shop this wig down in the description box. So make sure you take a tour on our website. This wig is everything.